How to use Apple Pay. Let's get started. With Apple Pay, you can use your iPhone, Apple Watch, and other Apple devices to make secure purchases in stores, online, and in apps. It's simple, private, and designed to protect your payment information. To get started, launch your wallet app. In case you don't have wallet app in your device, you can navigate to App Store, download this app, and launch it. You'll be directed to this page. Now click on the plus option given at the top. Now, different options will be available. Select any of it and add your card. You can either scan the card using the camera or enter your card details manually. Your bank or card issuer might ask for the verification to confirm it's really you. Once your card is approved on your iPhone, you can also add and verify it for your Apple Watch. And if you have multiple cards, don't worry, you can easily set or change your default card anytime in your device settings under Wallet and Apple Pay. When you are ready to make a purchase in person, look for the contactless symbol or the Apple Pay logo at checkout. You can use Apple Pay at stores, restaurants, vending machines, public transit, and even ride shares. The best part, you don't need to unlock your iPhone or open the wallet app every time. On iPhones with Face ID, just double click the side button and glance at your screen to authenticate. Or you can use your fingerprint or the passcode if needed. Your default card will appear and you can tap the cards at the bottom if you want to switch to another one. When you are ready to pay, hold the top of your iPhone close to the contactless reader until you hear a chime and see a "Don't" check mark on your screen. That's your confirmation that the transaction is complete. So that's a wrap for this video. This is how you can use Apple Pay. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.